Every bottle begins with carefully selected raw materials: sugar, purified water, approved flavor ingredients, and food-grade additives arrive at the factory.
Fresh water is purified through multiple filtration stages and reverse osmosis systems. This ensures the water meets the highest safety and quality standards.
The sugar is blended with purified water to create a concentrated syrup. Advanced mixing systems ensure perfect consistency throughout the batch. Special flavor concentrates are added to the syrup mixture. Computer-controlled systems maintain precise measurements for a consistent taste in every bottle. The chilled, bright red beverage enters the carbonation chamber, where carbon dioxide is carefully infused into the liquid. Millions of tiny bubbles create the refreshing fizz, and small plastic preforms are heated and expanded into full-sized bottles. High-speed machines produce thousands of perfectly shaped bottles every hour. Every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before filling, ensuring maximum hygiene and product safety. The finished energy drink is transferred to the filling line, where automated machines fill each bottle with the bright red carbonated beverage. Finished products are stored in large warehouses, where inventory systems track every shipment. The finished products are loaded onto trucks for delivery to wholesalers, retailers, and stores across the country.